Hello everyone! Marami ang curious about evil eye, marami ang takot at I know, marami ang nagsusuot ng evil eye bracelet like me, but technically they don't know what it means to have that evil eye. So, unang-una, evil eye po, siya yung pinakamababang klase ng kulam. No? Basically, for a layman's term, ito yung klase ng usog. Yan, no? Pag nauusog yung baby, evil eye yun. Kasi yung iba pinapakomplikado pa anong ibig sabihin ng evil eye. Yun lang po yun, nausog ka, nabati ka. No? So, kaya pag tayo po ay may mga achievements, tayo po, for example, ang ganda ng skin mo that day, we posted it on our My Day, parang after nun, bakit pinipimples ka na? You know, I experienced that before, no? I used to have a very, very good skin, as in, super kinis, super glass skin ako. And then, palagi akong binabate, no? Right after, pinimples ako, as in, punong-puno ng pimples. So, basically, I was struck by the evil eye, no? So, paano nga ba natin siya makokontra? So, basically, what we should do is to, of course, wear evil eye bracelet. And, of course, yung ating evil eye necklace, ayan. Nakaseparate lang yung kanyang chain, no? But, yeah, ito yung ating evil eye na pendant, which many of you knows, no? Or ito kasi yung famous, no? But, we have different kinds of evil eye. Meron pa kaming zi eye in Chinese, no? Yung galing ng if I'm correct, sa Tibet, no? Ganyan, marami doon. Yun yung mga nagpa-protect sa atin kasi ang evil eye protection, imbis na ikaw yung unang makikita, ang una pong mapupuna is yung suot mo. So, ibig sabihin, kapag unang nag-strike yung tingin niya doon, hindi ka ma-affect ng evil eye niya or ng inggit niya sa'yo or ng negative energy niya. No, I know someone na sobrang inggitera niya. Lahat ng tao pag binati niya, nauusog niya. No? So, ang tao pong may evil eye usually, yan yung mga inggitera. No? Kasi they envy you eh. Basically, evil eye means they are envious. Kaya yung tingin nila sa'yo, gusto nila ma-absorb yung positive energy mo. So, nasasak nila. No? So, yan, kumbaga sila, energy vampires, no? And in return, yung mga negative energies naman, na-absorb mo from them. Kasi yung stare nila, no, yung under their mind, yan, may mga sinasabi yan na sana mawala, yung mga swerte mo sa buhay, or sana mapunta sa akin yung swerte mo. No, yan yung ating explanation of the evil eye. And there are many forms that we can counterpart or we can protect ourselves. But it is first, no, our first thing to do or our first defense really is magsuot ng mga evil eye protection. So if you want, I have available ng mga stocks. Just message me here kung saan nyo napanood tong video ko. Next thing that can protect us is yung mga taong nagmamahal sa atin. No? So, if people loves you, naaano yung energy mo niya, nasasakluban ka nila, so you are protected. Kaya kahit wala ka minsan protection, but if you are a good person and many people loves you, napoprotektahan ka. Third is to donate. So, whenever we donate, we do goods, we accumulate mga positive energies, nadadagdag din yan sa aura natin, sa energy natin, and we are protected. And of course, there's nothing greater than love, no? Kapag ikaw ay minamahal ng isang tao, no, yan talaga mapoprotect ka kasi, there is an energy that is protecting you. No? And of course, our spirituality, wala pa rin tatalo rin sa prayer. So, dapat tayo ay mag-pray always, ask for protection despite of our religion, always ask for protection. Kung sino man pinaniniwalaan yung Diyos, Santo, Santa, Diyosa, o anuman mga spirits, spirit guide, always ask for protection kasi yan ang makakakombat dyan, no? Yung spirituality din natin. Sabi nga nila, spiritual laban sa spiritual. So, for example, bilang Katoliko, no, we pray to Saint Michael the Archangel to protect us. No? Sabi nga doon sa prayer niya, Saint Michael the Archangel, defend us in battle. as well as kay Saint Benedict. Number 1 protection yan si Saint Benedict, a protector I mean, sa mga any kinds of black magic, witchcraft, evil eye, ganyan. So, yun, yung Cruz Sacra Sit Mihi Lux, if I may remember it correct. Before I pray it, kabisado ko. But now, I forgot na. No? And of course, bilang tayo rin po ay practicing Buddhist, we can pray Om Mani Padme Hum to protect us from all these kinds of negative energies and evil eye. No, so pag tayo magpo-post ng ating mga achievements, magpo-post tayo ng picture, you can put yung emoji ng evil eye, no, and as well as to put eyeliner. Importante ha sa mga girls or kahit sa boys, no. Ang makeup ngayon hindi naman na exclusive for the boys lang, no. For the boys, for the girls, I suggest to put eyeliner under, and kapag naman na wala kayong hood, ay kapag may hood kayo, you put eyeliner sa taas, no? Kasi ako wala akong hood, so kahit mag-eyeliner ako, papasok lang siya. You put, no? Depende na lang sa eyes nyo. Kasi eyeliners are one of the basic thing that can protect us from the evil eye. Kasi pag yung mata natin matapang tingnan, negative energies, hindi sila lalapit sa atin, or maski i-absorb, hindi rin, no? So those are my tips, no? And I hope that this video finds you well. So if nagustuhan mo tong video na to, or may mga questions ka, just comment it down below. Thank you. This is again FSG.